When selecting materials for an RF PCB design, many engineers immediately ask, Rogers or PTFE? The answer is not as simple as it seems. The right choice depends on your application, frequency range, and manufacturing requirements. Most engineers start with the wrong question. They ask which material is better. The real question is which material fits the system. Material selection directly affects RF performance. It influences insertion loss. It impacts impedance control. And it affects phase stability. RF material selection is always a trade-off. First, electrical performance. Second, manufacturability. Third, cost. And finally, reliability. PTFE is often selected when ultra-low loss is required. PTFE offers stable electrical performance at high frequencies. It is often used in radar systems. And in millimeter wave applications where loss control is critical. But PTFE also comes with manufacturing challenges. PTFE can be more difficult to drill and process. It usually requires tighter process control. As a result, manufacturing cost is often higher. Rogers materials offer a strong balance. For many RF PCB projects, they provide reliable RF performance. They are generally easier to manufacture. And they can be more cost-effective for many RF applications. For RF front-end and RF test applications, Rogers materials are commonly used. For radar, SATCOM, and higher frequency systems, PTFE or hybrid stackups may be preferred. The final choice depends on frequency, loss, budget, stackup, and manufacturing capability. The best RF PCB material is not necessarily the most expensive one. It is the material that best balances performance, manufacturability, cost, and reliability. If you are evaluating materials for an RF PCB project, our engineering team is ready to help.